Hello everyone, it's Tyler with My Computer Works again, and today we're going to be talking about mobile hotspots. So making your phone a mobile hotspot that allows other devices to connect to it and then gain access to the internet, right? So just like you have at home, you might have an internet service provider that you pay money to and they give you internet access, and that's usually done with some sort of equipment like a router, a modem, or a combination of the two, like a gateway, right? So some sort of network equipment in your home that your internet service provider gave you. What a mobile hotspot is basically turning this phone into a router and modem and gateway type device. So it actually turns it into like a piece of network equipment that you can then connect to, and through your provider. So for example, I have Verizon. I can then gain access to the internet by setting up a mobile hotspot. For example, if I have like a laptop or an iPad, I can connect off this and then gain access to the internet. Like you make a Wi-Fi network, right? Just like you have at your home. So I'm going to show you how to do that now on my smartphone, which is an iPhone, but these instructions apply for Android as well. It's just a little bit different, but you go through the settings and do it in your network and internet settings, or hotspot and tethering, okay? So let's jump into it. I'll show you how to do this on the phone. All right, so the first part of this is actually done on the cell phone itself. So we're gonna go into the settings on the phone, and we're gonna go to personal hotspot, which is usually right around the top area there around Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I'm gonna click on that. And I should have mentioned this earlier, if you have the capability for hotspots, once you come in here, it's really easy. So it'll usually be toggled off to allow others to join the personal hotspot, and I'm going to toggle that on, okay? And they do actually have some instructions down here at the bottom that will kind of go over the different ways to get it connected, okay? Right now, I'm just making the Wi-Fi password example 1, okay? And so I'm doing this so that I can bring you to the second part of this, because now I can set the phone down. The hotspot is now working, devices can connect to it, and again, I made the password example 1 just for this exercise. And what I'm going to do now is on my laptop, I'm going to go into my network and internet settings, right? So I can do that by clicking on the little globe down here because I'm not connected. Or I can right click on the Windows symbol and go to network connections. And once I'm inside here, Wi-Fi, show available networks. And I just have to find iPhone, which is what the network is currently named, and put in that password once it asks me, which was again example 1. So we'll put that in. And I'm connected and the connection is secured. All good to go. So that is all you have to do to set up a wireless or a hotspot to connect wirelessly for your devices and be able to access the internet. Again, you need to have this service through your provider. Like for example, through my plan with Verizon, I have that feature. Not everybody is going to have the feature or be able to do it, okay? So make sure you check that you are actually paying for the service if this doesn't work out or you're not able to see it in there. Again, for Android, can kind of follow the same directions that I gave here, or same instructions. I do know that theirs is called tethering and personal hotspot, or hotspot and tethering once you're in there. So just hop in there, turn it on, set the password, and you should be able to connect. Thank you everyone for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe before you go. If you need help with your computer or even setting up a hotspot or any other tech needs, call the number at the beginning into the video down in the description, and I will see you all on the next one.